Baby chicken, I'm going to slap you.
I'm going to call Alphablock W right now. Alphablock W. Oh my god! Baby chicken, what's wrong with your face? Why are you crying? Alphablock and slaps baby chicken, but evil chicken slaps baby chicken.
Baby chicken, enough crying. Alphablock W, get baby chicken now.
Okay, evil chicken, stay there to your room right now, or else I will pick baby chicken about this. Yes! Thanks, Alphablock W. Baby chicken, go to bed right now and go to sleep now, or else we will ground Alphablock N.
Alphablocks tells baby chicken got home.
I'm home, baby chicken.
Wow! That's great. Alphablock N, how dare you slap baby chicken? Alphablocks, now you have to get toys. That's it.
You are grounded for 17,999,990 years.
This means no TV, no racing, no evil troublemakers, no way back home, no question from the spelling bee and got 3-hour detention, no computers, no Xbox One, no Zach King, no anything about this, no video games, no fast food places, no fudge packer, no toys, no pets, no shirt, no shoes, no service, no internet accounts, no iPhone 13, no Samsung Note 20 Ultra, no Nokia, no Android phone, no PS4, no Grand Theft Auto 5, no Hawaii, no Halloween candy, no Christmas, no New Year special, and furthermore.
Now go upstairs and go to your room right now and go to sleep, or else we will send to an European country with Mr. Muppet Fan, Catboy 2001, Shamsundar 1997, Janu the Video Maker 2005, and my friends.
No.